As part of your regular maintenance, you'll replace the filter media during each water change as a preventative measure. You may also replace it at other times if you need to reduce organic waste or phosphate levels. First, lift out the top filter basket with black carbon filter media bag and white phosphate remover filter media bag. Remove both bags and replace them with new media. Before placing the new media into the aquarium, rinse both bags thoroughly under tap water to remove any dust or fine particles. Once rinsed, place the bags back into the top basket and reinstall the basket into the filter. The other baskets in the filter chamber contain bioballs that grow beneficial bacteria and must not to be cleaned. The basket with the filtration media is placed on top. If you notice any bubbling or gurgling noises afterward, gently jiggle the basket and push it firmly against the left partition of the filter to help release trapped air bubbles. Thank you for watching.